Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to mDrives and welcome to another video. I'm at Ripon at Sports Cars in the park today, and it's amazing. So many cars, about 1,400 cars registered. So you can see around me, there's just loads of them. So let me take you back to the beginning of the day, and then we cut into some music clips so you can see the cars yourself. time to go home, and the last thing to do is, I guess, to send it at the exit without doing anything silly, without burnout. Well, here we go. That was it. We sent the car. I didn't hedge it, so that's a success. It was a nice day, really nice day, and as you can see, the weather picked up. It's so warm at the moment. Really enjoyed talking to people, meeting new people. That's what these events are all about. I'm not a very big fan of static meets in general, because I don't have that much time in my life to spend on just standing around the cars. I rather drive them when I have time. But sport cars in the park, it's that annual event to me, especially the spring one, which I really like to attend, and I think I'm going to come back next year just for that element of talking to people, meeting new people. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me thumbs up, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.